So hello friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel. So today we are again doing an HTML program, and as you all guys know that to this times we are doing CSS advanced program. We have already made 6 videos on CSS advanced program, so this is our 7th video on it. So today's video gonna be very interesting, so still watch till the end because today's program gonna be very interesting. So let's get started with today's program. So as we know, the earlier video we stopped in HTML form, so we are gonna start with there only. So this is the second or third program of HTML form, so let's begin with this program. Okay, so I'm copying this program. As you can see, I have copied the program. Now I'm gonna save it in Node++, then I will run the program. So as you can see, this is my HTML file, and I'm gonna save by 1.html as it is our first program for today. So I have saved by HTML name. Saving is done. Now let's open this file. So you can see this is the file. So this is HTML form. So today's topic was radio button in HTML CSS advanced form. So let's see what is this. So this is the program and this is our output. So you can see radio button means clicking this or this, male, female, or others, right? You can select something like this. So how did we do that, right? Now this is the question. Now let's see how did we do that. So we basically used HTML tag, then we used body tag. We have not used any heading tag because we are not doing CSS. Okay, so we have not used the heading tag and the style tag also. So in the next line we have done the heading, that is radio buttons. We have given the heading. As you can see, the heading is displayed. Now under body we have used form tag. Okay, so form tag, and under form tag we have wrote input type under quotation radio. This is the syntax. ID equals to male quotation, name equals to gender in quotation, value equals to male. So this is the entire syntax for this one word. Then next line we wrote label for male quotation, bracket close. Then we wrote male, then we closed the label tag. Then again we have started the input type tag, and we have written radio in quotation, and then we have written ID equals to female, name equals to quotation in gender, value equals to in quotation female. So you have to understand this entire program, or you have to memorize for running this program. Okay, so next we have used label tag, and we have written label for equals to female in quotation, close the bracket, and then we have written female and we have closed label tag, and we have given a line break after this label tag. As you can see, br tag is used after that. Then we have used again the input type for, as you can see, there are 3, so we have used 3 input type tags. Okay, then we have closed form tag, and then we have closed body tag and HTML tag. So this was important. As you can see, this is an important program. It requires for forming in HTML. So this was our first program. Now let's begin to the second program. Okay, so let's begin to the second program. So this is the second program, as you can see. So let's check it out. What is this program all about? So I'm copying this program. Yeah, acha, again that copy problem. Okay, finally I will copy this program. Okay, come on. So as you can see guys, I have copied the program, and now I'm gonna paste it in Node++. So I've pasted it. Now I'm gonna save by 2.html. Saving, finished. Now let's see the program. So this is the file, as you can see. So let's open the file. Okay, as you can see, so this was the HTML form checkboxes. So how to create an HTML checkbox form. So let's see the output and let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, this is the output, how to make check boxes. So what the output says, the input type equals to checkbox quotation defines a checkbox, right? So this was our heading. So this shows a heading. So a bike, I have a bike, I have a car, I have a boat. So you have these three things, and you can submit. You have one thing, then also you can submit, right? Like this, you have to select what you have, right? So what was checkboxes? Let's see and look after the program. So you have used head body tag, and under body tag the heading is given. As you can see, the heading is shown checkbox, and we have written a para. The para is this one, as you can see. Now we come to the main point, that is we have used form tag, and this time we have used form action equals to quotation slash oblique action page dot php. You have to write, this is the entire syntax for this one. Okay, then we have in the second line we have used the input type tag and equals to quotation checkbox. We have used id equals to vehicle 1. Okay, name equals to quotation vehicle 1. Value of the vehicle, it's a bike. So you can see, so you can understand, I hope. Then we have used level tag for this vehicle, level for vehicle quotation 1. You can see this level tag, and I have a bike, so this line comes over here, close level tag, close br tag. So level tag has given the level, I have a tag, and this input type tag has used to give an input of this. Here made this box type of thing, as you can see, and we can tick it over here or we can't. Okay, so this how we have to do the entire program. We have to just use two tags for the running this program. Is function action, you have to write, this is the main syntax for the entire, and then you have to write input type checkboxes, this line, and then you have to do label. Now this way we have done 3 vehicles. As you can see, we have used 3 vehicles and we have used this tag 3 times, and then it completes. Now let's see how we have done this submit. We have made this submit box. Now let's check it out. We have used input type tag equals to submit, and then we have written value equals to submit, and then we have closed form tag. Just begin, right? So now let's make some changes and let's see. So if I cut this submit one, will the submit show? Let me see. Okay, so guys, you can see I'm using this submit one, so I've erased. Now let's save, and now let's see. So you can see the submit has gone. I hope you can see. Okay, now let's go to the next program. So we have done 2 programs till now. We have done radio buttons, we have done checkboxes. I hope that you like this program, and this is an important program, right? So if you have understood, then comment me. If you have not understood, then also if comment me. And if you like the video, then please do like the video. Okay, so only this much for today. See you in the next video very soon. Stay tuned for the next video. Okay guys, bye bye.